Mehaririria ma kigomano kia ikumi na inyanya kia arutani anene a mathukuru ma muthingi ni manyitithitio Thutha kaunti-ini ya Mombasa kuria makiria ma arutani anene ngiri 10 matanyitwo gwikinya kigomanoini giki thukuru-ini wa Sheikh Zayed tauni-ini ya Mombasa. Muoroto munene wa kigomano kia mwaka uyu ni ukinyaniria wa mathomo ma CBC hari gukurana uhoti wa kimathomo hari arutwo thutha wa thirikari kwanirira kirathi kia grade 7 nginyagia grade 9 megukorwo mathukuru-ini ma muthingi.
We want to appreciate our president for one having seen it wise to put in place the presidential working Committee on Education and Reforms in education, because we believe what is coming out of them, as we have started seeing, is the best for our children. So we give great thanks to our beloved president.
Akirekereria ndumiriri yake muikariri giti wa kiama kia arutani anene a mathukuru ma muthingi Johnson Zioka augite ni manyitite baru ikinya ria thirikari ria mwerekera wa arutwo a grade ici mathomere thukuru-ini cia muthingi, akiuga thukuru ici iri na uhoti wa gukinyaniria mathomo maya kuri arutwo.
We might be having more than 60% of our teachers in primary as graduates. Then, in terms of infrastructure, the children who are to transit to grade 7, they already have the rooms which have been vacated by those who are going to standard 8. So we have the capacity, yes.
Oho ni matugiritie ikinya ria thirikari ria kwandika arutani ngiri 30 hari gukinyaniria mathomo ma CBC thukuru-ini cia muthingi, makiuga arutani a muthingi ni mari na uhoti na ikinya riri ni riguteithiriria hari ukinyaniria wa mathomo ma CBC.
I want to also thank the Teachers Service Commission for having indicated that by January we might be having some 30,000 new ed teachers. That has been our prayer. And we want to say this is a prayer which is well answered.
Kigomano giki gikambiriria muthenya wa rucio mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto agitanyo gwikinya kigomano-ini giki muthenya wa keri kiumia giki. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuuma Gicua-ini kaunti ya Mombasa, ritwa riakwa ni Ndegwa wa Gathungu.